Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 4. Wow. 4? 5. 5. I hope you're all enjoying Vlogmas. Obviously a lot different content from me because I have been filming my days, getting it edited and uploaded super quick. So very different. We're at the warehouse this morning. We have some tote bags to make. So I'm excited to finally sink my teeth into these tote bags, get them out the door, hopefully finish them today. I've got a coffee. I just stopped by our bakery. This is my second coffee for the morning. I haven't been having two coffees a day, which is unusual for me, but I feel like this morning I need it. And I also got myself a croissant. So that's what I'm doing. I don't know if you guys saw yesterday's Vlogmas, but I also have my little Have a Seat Labubu. It is so cute. I know the trend for Labubu is completely over. I don't know if anyone is still into them, but this is my first Labubu, obviously, because I can finally get my hands on them because they were just impossible to get before. But yeah, I'm so cute. I feel like this is so cute. I've just popped it on my warehouse keys because I'm going to use it as a keychain. I'm not the type of person to keep it as a prized possession. I'm going to use it for what it is. Yeah, I've got Evie with me at the warehouse. She hasn't been all week, so she's here today. And yeah, I'm so excited to get into sewing. I also need to do a few things on the computer. But yeah, lots of sewing has been happening lately because obviously a lot of things need to be made, but I hope you guys are enjoying the sewing. I've also had some really good questions come through, and I'm thinking about sitting at the end of this vlog and doing a small Q&A just on those questions because I find them so interesting. Of course, I love talking about what I do for a living. So yeah, I'll hopefully have a Q&A for you guys. Let's just get stuck into Vlogmas day 4 and get into sewing. Evie, what are you doing? This is everything I have done so far. So we've got the straps, pockets, zippers and sides, and now I have to put all of these together. And then that will probably be me for the day because they'll get sent off tomorrow. Hey guys, we are in Kmart, so I thought I would show you a little bit of the Kmart Christmas stuff. I'll take you along for the little look-see because I love looking at Kmart Christmas stuff. Can you film?
Mini M&Ms. Imagine.
Are you gonna get that? Mini M&Ms.
And then, like, I don't know.
Wheat Bix.
No, you can't, it has to be small.
Oh.
It's for grains and nuts.
Mini M&Ms, Skittles.
Oh, probably peanut
Percy
M&Ms.
Pigs. Percy Pigs.
Yeah, but would they squish coming out of the thing? I don't know how the dispenser bit works.
No, it's like it's a button and it releases the whole.
Oh. That would actually be good for the office. Then you can rotate and go dunk, choose what is it.
What is this?
Oh. What is that?
I don't know. I think so.
Iced lattes, isn't it?
It's cool. Yeah, that looks so good. Giant brownie baking kit.
And your favourite?
Kit Kat Mini. That is my favourite.
It's the Grinch cookie jar.
What the heck? I feel like I should get these for the workshop. Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Bit of decorating. Here's the mic, I think. Bowl popcorn maker.
No, but I swear you get one of like some sort of popcorn maker every.
I know, I love popcorn, but it already comes in the bowl. Wait, I have to get this. That is so cute. I'm getting that. Mug cake baking kit. Do you want one?
There's an Nutella one.
Wait, this is so cute.
That's definitely very cottagey. That would go really good in your bathroom.
I know.
For the warehouse.
Yeah. Oh, it stinks.
Try
Ew,
another one.
literally smells like someone already used it. Oh.
Good evening, customers,
You
and
can
welcome to
always
Kmart
wash it.
Norfolk. Customers, as the time is now 8:45, if you can please make your way to center store to find all your purchases. Just a reminder, this will be closing in 15 minutes. Thank you for shopping here at Kmart Norfolk.
But like they.
Maintenance of food.
Oh, I'll get. She wants another one of them. She told me. All right, guys. See you at home. Bye. Let's do a haul. Okay. Obviously, we got this cherry stinky bath mat. Hopefully, the smell goes away. Then we got tea towels, Christmas themed. Then we got Christmas themed mug. And then this is the stuff I got from not Kmart. I got this from Ganda, just a t-shirt. So yeah, and then I got some denim shorts. I didn't try them on, hopefully they fit.